officially here dito sa Washington, D.C. Us as a people, parang we really do go out of our way to take care of other Filipinos. Boom! Yan guys. So guys, kakagaling lang natin dun sa, sa Capitol Building. Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. Kakagising ko lang. Again, if it's your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Nestor. I love to travel and I am a Filipino American living dito sa Texas. But anyways, for today's video, it's gonna be another special video. Special na lang lahat. Kasi today's Wednesday, March 4th. Sobra aga, 4 a.m. Haven't had that was my first sip of coffee. Pupunta tayo ng airport kasi flight natin is 7. We're going to Washington, D.C. this weekend, the capital, United States capital. So, hindi lang to bakasyon kasi member ako ng Hemophilia Foundation kasi may hemophilia ako, and NBDF or National Bleeding Disorders Federation has sponsored me to go to Washington, D.C. and advocate for the Hemophilia Society and the people suffering from hemophilia. So, yeah, I'll be one of those people na will talk to like politicians para they will think of us, that we will raise awareness, and, you know, tell them my struggles as a patient living with hemophilia and also having a family member that has hemophilia. So, parang ganun. So yeah, it's gonna be a very packed weekend. Hanggang Friday kami, but I'm extending my stay until Saturday kasi I have to meet one of my best friends, si Matt, childhood friends kasi we went to high school together, but you'll see. Anyways, busin ko muna tong coffee and I'll show you guys what's up. So hopefully maka-video tayo, maka-go around tayo on our free time, probably at night, and then Friday when we check out at noontime, maka-go around tayo sa United States Capitol, tapos I will show you around what's up if hindi nyo pa nakita. And yeah, I'll do my best to vlog kahit busy. Yeah, kahit B-rolls lang or ganun. And yeah, kita-kits mag-shower muna ako after my coffee. And yeah. Hi guys, dumating na tayo dito sa Washington, D.C. Let's go! Kapagod. Hindi ako nakatulog during the flight. Nga pala, the flight took 3 hours. So, medyo okay naman yung flight. Kaso, yun nga, hindi ako makatulog kasi it's just like that. Hanap tayo ng it's gonna take an hour to the metro. I mean, to the hotel from the airport. Tapos, imamap ko ngayon. So, magsistay tayo dito sa Hyatt Regency on Capitol Hill. So, kita dito, it's an hour and 16 minutes. Mag-metro tayo kasi when I checked Uber, it was anong tawag dito? $4. It was $70. Hanapin natin yung metro. Sandali. Nawawala ako. I missed it. Hold on. Meron naman mga signs ang ganito. Yeah. Ito ata yung pinakamalapit na airport sa Washington, D.C. Tapos, kaso nga, an hour pa siya or 40 minutes kung walang traffic if you take Uber, and it's very expensive, mga $80 one way. So yun, punta na tayo sa metro. $8 one way, tapos magra-ride pa ako ng bus, isang bus pa, which is $2.50. Hindi naman bad. So yeah, let's figure this out. Tapos, I don't think I'm prepared for the weather sa labas. Sige, hanapin ko lang yung metro, sandali. So guys, pag pupunta kayo dito, you actually go to the terminal right outside the main terminal, tapos may underground that connects you to the metro station, and then yeah, it's a pretty long walk. Don't worry kung malamig or mainit sa labas kasi indoor naman. Now I remember kasi this is my third time coming to DC. So yeah, this, by the way, Washington DC is the capital ng United States of America. So yeah, punta na tayo ng bus, I mean ng subway. And I don't think mabutan natin yung next train. It's 11:35, 11:34 na. So next is 11:38. Ngayon sa labas, guys. So it looks like. Okay, I gotta explain. O nga pala, you need a Metro card to ride in one of these metros. Tapos itap mo. But luckily, meron silang digital pass. You can, if you have an iPhone, and I believe pwede din siya sa Android, you can download their card. It's Apple Wallet, and then you just tap it over there. And then, yeah, and it's for $8 from the airport to downtown Washington DC. So yeah, don't forget, guys, this is what it looks like. Nireload ko na rin. Just connect a card. Try natin. Oh, here. There you go, it worked. Let's go. And punta tayo sa downtown Largo. Kita niyo yan? It's in 11 minutes. So we have time to kill. Tapos escalators lang pataas. Papunta sa labas to, guys. So pag malamig or mainit, just be careful. Pwede naman kayo sa loob lang muna. Hintayin na lang kayo bago dumating yung train nyo. This is my third time, I think, doing this. No, second time. Kasi dati, sa ibang airport ako pumunta. Mayroon sila ating 3 airport dito. But yeah, it's my third time dito sa IAD. Second time coming out. Hintayin lang tayo sa train. I'll show you outside. Medyo maulan sa labas and the airport from outside. Medyo malamig pero hindi naman masyado. Largo Town Center. Diyan tayo baba. Guys, I'm using the microphone. Another look. Ta-da! Cha-chan! Medyo gloomy nga today, no? Sige lang. We'll make the best out of it. Tayo, guys. So, free seating naman din. Wala masyadong tao, as you can see. Tapos, yun nga, medyo maulan. Dito na ako sa window. Mahaba-habang ride to. It's gonna take, I think, 50 minutes or 40 minutes. Tingnan natin. 50 minutes. Pero 18 stops. 15 minutes, 18 stops. Tapos, magbabas tayo for 3 minutes lang. Tapos, walk for 12 minutes. Mahaba. Sige lang, kakayanin para makatipid. So, I think overall, on this one-way trip, one-way ride is mga nasa $11 total. So it's not bad compared to $70, diba? Sige, balitaan ko kayo. First time ko rin mag-ride ng bus dito sa not sa America. I think first time ko sa America mag-ride ng bus. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, pero may ingay. I'm walking to the bus stop na. I'm following the Glen Road line. Dito ata. Line to Glenmont. God. But, hindi. Tapin ko muna yung bus. And, yun nga, masyadong mahaba. Medyo safe naman kasi merong mga National Guards. So, tapin ko muna to. Yan yung Glenmont. Papunta tayo 2 stops to Judiciary Square. Yan yung ano ko. Yan yung stop ko. And yeah, the whole ride. So if you're coming, depende kung saan yung hotel nyo. Pero, pakita ko sa inyo. And guys, so nakababa na tayo sa train. Hindi pala bus, train pala. So, nandito tayo sa Judiciary Square. So, pakita ko sa inyo what I took from the IAD or Washington Dulles International Airport. So, ito siya, gray line. Then, ito yung 50 minutes, tapos 19 stops ata. Nagbaba ako sa Metro Center kanina. And to my hotel, Metro Center to Judiciary Square. Mga 3-minute ride lang. So, baka iba yung sa inyo. Depende kung saan yung hotel nyo. Pero ganito yung itsura niya dito. Buti na lang may cover. 'Di ba? So, hanapin ko lang yung exit ko. Ito yung exit ko. 4th Street. Ito. So, maglalakad pa ako sa labas. Mga 15-minute walk papunta ng hotel ko. I'll cross a couple blocks. Sige na lang para makatipid. And, yeah, yung weather medyo gloomy. So, I'll show you guys what it's like sa labas. Tapos, pag pa-exit na kayo, again, tap nyo lang din yung card dito. Meron naman mga signs dyan. Antay. And tap again. Yun. Okay, so update. I had $16 dun sa wallet ko. Ngayon, ano na lang, $10. So, not bad. $6 lang instead of $70, di ba? So, yan. Kung gusto nyo makatipid, try nyo yan. And guys, we are officially here dito sa Washington, D.C. Medyo gloomy nga. Hindi masyado mag-match yung vibe. Pero ito siya. Wala pa tayo sa mga tourist attractions. Pero I'll take you there sa free time ko. Punta muna tayo sa hotel and let's see what's up. Dito tayo sa hotel natin, guys. Look, that's what the outside looks like. It's pretty big. So yan guys, finally naka-check-in na tayo dito sa Hyatt Regency Capital. May kwento ako sa inyo. Anyways, room tour muna, room tour. So pagpasok mo, ito yung drawer. Meron namang emergency evacuation. Standard door naman, meron din silang lock. Tas on the left, there's a counter, hangers para sa suit mo or ano. Tas pwede mo lagay bags mo dito, luggages. Tas I think meron silang, yeah, you can put your shoes there. Wala lang slippers, but meron din silang garment bag, which is nice. And on the right is the bathroom. Standard bathroom, may shower, mayroon na silang mga toiletries. I think there's a conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Tapos dito sa left, mayroon silang body lotion. I think sa price dito, dapat may body lotion and then a lot of towels and and yeah, tapos umilaw. Ano siya, motion censored. That's very common dito na walang bidet dito sa Amerika. So masanay kayo. And on the left, meron tayong safe, mini fridge, tea, and parang ano nila, Nespresso or Keurig or something. And I think ice bucket. May ice bucket dito. That's full-length mirror. Hello. And very big TV. I think this is 65 inches. Ang laki. And I requested, actually, nag-request ako isang queen size. Tapos binigyan nila ako 2 queen size. Kwento ko sa inyo. And then, ito may parang desk, office space. Tingnan natin yung view sa labas. Ano ba yung view sa labas? Wow! So, ito guys, Capitol Hill is just right over there. Capitol Hill, dyan yung mga senators, mga congressmen, saka state representatives nagtatrabaho. Or like when they're here in Washington, D.C., dyan sila. So, parang isang lakad lang, mga 2 blocks lang, ganun. Tapos ito yung sa labas. Anyways, kwento ko sa inyo, dali. But, okay, ito yung bed. So, 2 bed. malambot, firm, regular hotel bed. Maganda tong dalawa na setup kasi kung maglalakad ka, dito ka, kung gusto mo humiga na ayaw mong magpalit ng damit, dito ka, panglabas, or pick any bed you want, tas isa pang tulog. Tas may kwento ko sa inyo. So, kanina, so pag check-in natin, the check-in is supposed to be at 4 o'clock. Ano pa ngayon? It just turned 1. So, medyo sobrang aga, 3 hours early, right? And then, sinadya ko talagang early. And then, anong tawag dito? So, napagkataon, like, nag-timing lang na the person that was helping me check in was a Filipina. And shout out kay Ate Grace, thank you. She was looking at my driver's license and sabi niya, your last name Punay, what origin is this? Sabi ko, Philippines. Tapos sabi niya, I'm Filipino too. Tapos sabi ko, hi kabayan. Tapos parang sabi niya, I'm gonna hook you up. Tapos anong gusto mo? I'll pick a good room for you. Tapos parang in-upgrade niya ako ng ganito. So ito yung setup. Kaya shout out sa iyo, Ate Grace. And yeah, ilang beses, yun yung maganda gusto ko sa Filipino is like it's not a given, pero parang us as a people, parang we really do go out of our way to take care of other Filipinos. It's not, hindi naman lahat, pero like parang it's very common, di ba? And I like that about us as a people. So yun, ilang beses na rin ako na ganyan and hindi ko naman sinasadya. And also, ako naman din, as myself, I try to go out of my way to help other Filipinos as well. Not just Filipinos as well too, because pag nasa ibang country tayo, we're not only bringing ourselves, our names as a person, but also like our country, we represent our country, di ba? Yun, tama na yung monologue kasi gutom na ako. Hanap tayo ng lunch saglit. Okay, kita-kits. Labas na tayo guys. Pakita ko pa yung lobby. Hintay. Ito yung itsura. Medyo social din siya. Kasi 4-star hotel to eh. Gusto manood ng TV, may TV dyan. Tara, labas na tayo. So guys, umuulan siya ngayon. But, eto, sarap natin yun yung Capitol Hill. You only see that in movies. Pero sana makapunta kayo dito. Ang ganda talaga. Pero medyo gloomy lang. Anyways, umaambon. I think it's gonna be like this for the next 2 hours. May nahanap na akong pagkainan. Burger place. So, lakad tayo dun. Yan siya. So guys, dito na tayo sa Hamilton's Burger. Grill and Bar. Hamilton Grill and Bar. Parang 7-minute walk lang siya na burger place sa hotel ko. Tapat ng Capitol Hill. Sa labas lang ako kumain kasi medyo maingay sa loob tsaka madilim. Pero hindi naman siya malamig naman din. Malamig siya pag sa labas. Pero meron naman parang canopy and stuff. And may mga heater naman din sa loob. Yung umaambod sa labas. Bilis ng service dito. Tapos hopefully masarap sila. Kasi maganda daw yung reviews. Burger lang naman in order ko. Specialty burger nila. Classic Hamilton burger. Tsaka cheese and then fries. Gutom na masyado ako. Ito pala menu nila. Very simple. Yan. Pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyo makita. Pero walang pictures guys. Simple masyado. Ito yung order ko. Hamilton's Burger. Daming dumadating dito. Feeling ko sikat sila. Meron din sila mga wraps, sandwiches, Reubens. Dami. Kids menu din. May mga beer din sila. Pero, gutom na talaga ako. Sana mabalis yung food at saka service. Haggard na ako. Tapos, registration namin alas 3 sa event. And then, 5 p.m. hanggang 8 p.m. meron kaming parang training for tomorrow. So, medyo hectic talaga. Tas bukas parang full day hanggang gabi din. Umaga, 9 a.m. hanggang gabi. So, grabe. And then Friday is the end, closing ceremony. Sana tayo, go around at night. And guys, finally dumating na. Ito siya. Wow. So, I ordered, yun nga, yung Hamilton burger. Tas pepper jack cheese instead of American or Swiss cheese. Tas with all the stuff. Ang ganda. Tara, kain na tayo. Gutom. Amen. Naghugas na ako ng kamay. Let's see. Aray, init. Lagyan natin ng ketchup. For the fries. Try natin walang ketchup yung burger. First bite. Pasok po. Cheers guys, cheers. Just after the bite. Tinanong pa nila ako, they asked me kung anong gustong luto ko. Sabi ko medium rare, parang well done nata to. No complaints. Okay lang. Medyo kulang sa lasa. Lagyan na natin ng ketchup. I usually just put ketchup as I bite. Para control ko. Much better. Ito yung fries. Medyo thick yung fries nila. They're crispy on the outside, tas soft on the inside. Which is good. My cheese full. Busog ko ito guys. So guys, muna tayo sa hotel kasi hindi masyado maganda yung weather. Umambon para makapahinga din tayo. Habit ko kayo. Tapos yung burger siguro nasa mga 6 out of 10. Gutom din ako, so medyo hindi ko masyadong ma-judge ng maigi. So yeah, yan yung ko. Hindi naman ako ma-burger na person kasi how often can you modify yung burger, di ba? Mas prefer ko yung mga rice, mga ganun. But anyways, that's just me. Baka kayo, kung ma-burger kayo, masarapan kayo dun. Try nyo lang. Daming rating mga 200 ratings. Tingnan nyo na lang. Tapos, mura lang siya. Mahal siya actually. Burgers and fries, naabot ako mga $17. Understandable naman kasi Washington DC. Mahal dito. Comparable din siya sa Austin din. Mahal-mahal na. Sige. Punta na ako sa hotel ko. Hi guys, kakagaling lang natin mag-nap. So I decided to use this bed closer to the window kasi pag dito ako matutulog mamaya, ito na yung pajamas ko. Mas madali ako makapunta sa bathroom kung iihi ako. Mga konting iniisip ko lang. Tapos, time check, it's already 4:10. Registration started at 3:30. Tapos, first session is at 5 o'clock. Pupunta na tayo doon. Tapos, underdressed ako. Tatanungin ko lang sa kanila kung okay lang ganito suot ko. Kasi, dala akong suit. Tapos medyo na creased na siya. So i-iron ko na lang mamaya. Tapos guys, wala akong perfume na nadala. No. So dapat di tayo pawisin. Wala tayong perfume, so patay tayo diyan. Sige na lang. Let's make the best out of it. Sige. Try muna ako register and I'll try to update you guys kung anong meron. Kasi 5 p.m. yung training session And then until 8 ata sa gabi. Hopefully ma-survive ko kasi sobrang pagod ko. Sige, sige. Amazing.
I mean, I don't mind it. I just want it to be consistent. You know what? I think it's one of those.
Wow.
Hemophilia treatment centers support Washington Days, and I want to give them a huge round of applause.
Yan guys, nakabalik na tayo sa room natin. Day 1 ang daming nangyari. I'm so pagod na. So, na 9 o'clock pa lang. Feeling ko maaga ako matulog. Hopefully maaga ako matulog kasi maaga kami bukas. 7:30 pa lang call time na breakfast. Tapos maaga, mga 9:30 punta na kami dun sa state capital. Yeah, and siguro it's gonna be just one long vlog. So I don't know, but update ko kayo. Kita-kits and natutulog muna ako. Ciao. And guys, ay, kulang tulog. Mga 7 hours lang. Tagal din ako nakatulog kagabi. Anyways, today's the big day. Medyo gloomy sa labas. This is the view from my hotel. Ay, nako. Sana Mr. Sun comes out. It's so foggy. But anyways, feel ko hindi ko kayo masama. Hindi ko kayo masama tonight. I mean, today sa Capitol Building. Kasi I cannot bring this camera. Sabi naman nila, you can bring your phone. I'll just take videos from my phone. I'll show you guys probably what the inside looks like. And yun, update ko kayo. Prepare muna ako kasi it's 7:10 na and call time is 7:30. Susuot pa ko ng suit and tie and everything. Ciao! Boom!
Wow,
Yan guys! Ito na yung outfit check natin for today. Kasi feeling ko di na ako makabalik dito sa room ko. Usual suit. Meron akong maroon tie. Kasi, you know, signifies blood. And, yeah, ito lang. Hopefully, okay lang. Breakfast time muna. Tapos, I don't think I can go up here na. So, update ko kayo. Tsayang. Tsayang. Look at that. Whoa. You only see those in the movies. Yeah, it's probably my third time coming here. Pero the last time I was here, this part was under renovation. Ito. But now it's complete. Amazing. Hopefully the weather eases up, but yun. Stairs. You see a lot of movies shoot here. And stairs. Amazing. Journalist. Wow. The insulation inside, guys. Senate building.
Mountains getting up to walk away.
It's pointless. It's specifically for noise reduction.
So it's called Calder's
Modern
Final
I
Triumph.
didn't even. Well,
There
no
isn't anything above it.
I know.
Oh yeah.
There's no clouds.
Oh yeah, there was supposed to be clouds. Yeah, supposed to be clouds. But there's no clouds. And guys, ito yung miniature model niya.
Climb the mountain by going
Conducting meeting, feel free, but we can introduce you.
It's Ted Cruz's office.
No, that was her. She said, Melissa, look at me. I just happened to know her.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Office ni, ni Ted Cruz.
I should say, but
And guys, this is the U.S. Supreme Court building. It's massive. Pictures doesn't do justice. Amazing. Wow, wow, wow.
I'm gonna walk over.
Library of Congress,
Yeah,
guys.
all the museum, like the Smithsonian museums, are all free to get into.
Siya yung map ng Capitol Square, guys. Just pause it. It's really massive. They have tours and stuff. And that's where you see like the hearings on TV that you see on TV. That's where they have it. You can't have your phones there and stuff. But you need a pass to get in. It's free though. Sam Rayburn of Texas. That's the plaque of January 6th Capitol Police. This is their cafeteria. And guys, so we are finally free from all our meetings. I'm heading to the Capitol kasi I have a free admit ticket so I can watch hearings. Hindi ako pwede mag-vlog sa loob kasi bawal. They'll take all my stuff down. But yeah, so it's gonna be quite an experience. Libre naman. They said you can ask for tickets because it's free admit. I just went to one of the offices dito and then they give free admit tickets. It might be different for visitors or tourists because I'm here for a special case. Sorry, my ambulance. Takits din, update ko kayo. And guys, I know we've been passing here for quite some time now, pero ang daming ganap dito sa Capitol building. Meron namang news crew dyan. Meron ata silang ini-interview. Sino kaya yan? Baka sikat. Artista siguro. Pero yan, another look. Tara, punta tayo sa entrance. Yan yung Library of Congress, guys. Maganda daw dyan, pero I don't wanna go in. I don't think we have time. I'll just show you the outside. So yun yung entrance ng US Capitol Visitor Center, dyan pababa. So sa tapat lang siya ng Library of Congress, di ba yung binidyo natin. Go down ka dito. Tapos I think my tickets to get in. So ako nakakuha ko ng libre ng ticket from our meetings. So we'll see how it goes. Tingnan ko muna kung how you can get your tickets without getting them for free from your representatives. Excuse me. So, tingnan natin. Bawal mag-video sa loob, guys, just so you know. It's just to see anong nangyayari sa yung, alam mo na nakita nyo sa Senate hearings. Yeah, it helps. And yung entrance nakikita nyo. So I was coming down from over there. Tapos nag-walk ako papunta dito. It literally like underground or basement sa may Capitol. Tignan natin kung anong ganap. And yung inside pala ng Capitol, guys. You can take photographs pero dito lang, but not during in session. That looks like. Yeah, meron silang exhibition hall dun. And then they have an Emancipation Hall and then even a restaurant here. And dito. And visitor center. And yung view niya, guys, from the upper level. And guys, one last look. Visitor center. Daming tao. Hindi ako mapag-vlog. So guys, kakagaling lang natin dun sa sa Capitol building. So this is the outside of it, di ba kanina? We're taking a video of it. What can I say? Nandun ako siguro mga 15 minutes ako nag-observe. Nakita ko yung mga senators. Dami nila. Like I only see them on TV. Tapos, like I saw Ted Cruz, Bernie Sanders, Senator Kelly of Arizona, Chuck Schumer, Paul Schiff. Dami nila. They're in session. Senate is in session, so ang dami tao. And this is the look from outside. Again, guys, it's free to get in, but in order to watch the House in session, whether congressional or Senate, you have to contact your representative, state representative like Texas, sa akin, which is Ted Cruz's office, and ask for a ticket, and that's how I got in to watch for free. I don't know, I don't think you can pay for it. But yeah, punta na tayo sa hotel. We're gonna go to the hotel and then change and then we'll go around. So, update ko kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yan guys, kakabalik lang natin sa room. And I am done. Tapos na yung meeting. So, let's change real quick. And pupunta tayo ng... let's go around the Capitol. I'll show you guys around. Alright, transition. Yan! Ayun guys, ito yung outfit for today. So, nakabalik na tayo dito sa hotel guys. Nag-freshen up lang ako saglit. Tapos pupunta tayo sa closing remarks, I think, or dinner. It's Thursday right now, so ito yung parang may closing remarks or tas dinner buffet. Hopefully masarap yung food. Masarap naman last night. Tapos, yeah, I'll just show you some clips nito kasi walang wifi. Yan, outfit check. Same lang din sa yung sinuot natin kanina sa Union Square. Hindi naman tayo formal today. So, I mean tonight. Kanina formal tayo kanina umaga nung pumunta tayo ng Capitol. So, yeah, much needed rest sa paa natin. There's our food guys. We have cornbread, brisket, and then there's rockfish, and some grilled chicken, and then I think just chimichurri sauce. Then our roasted marble potatoes, mashed potato. What is this? Macaroni and cheese, and then green beans, and salad bar. Oh, here's our food today: the brisket, our crusted potatoes, salad, fish and chicken, and chowder. Chowder. All right.
Who here today had a productive? Awesome. Who here today did it for the first time? Let's give a round of applause for that. Who they have never met. Let's find that. South Carolina. And I am so blessed to work with these people every single day, but let's give a round of applause both to the Bleeding Disorders Association of South Carolina, as well as our 2025 Advocate of the Year, Candy.
Persist in demanding that our voices be heard and our basic human needs met. I am awash with pride and immense gratitude as I look out at this room. To all my blood siblings, their loved ones and parents and caregivers, to our industry and lobbying partners, I say again, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my bleeding heart.
Hi guys, tapos na pala ako freshen up. So, it's 9 o'clock. Nag-pack up na rin ako kasi bukas na tayo mag-check out. Tapos, bukas, we're gonna stay over at one of my closest friends dito sa Amerika, si Matt. He lives in Maryland, so I'm so excited kasi matagal na kami hindi nagkita. And yeah, thank you again, Matt and Ferlin. Shout out sa Padla family for hosting me, even it's just for a night. And I know it's brief, but yeah. And gusto ko ipakita yung souvenirs ko from the State Capitol building. So I bought my magnet. Ilang beses na ako sa DC pero wala pala akong magnet sa DC. And I also brought with me a booklet from the Capitol. Kasi kanina nanood tayo ng ng Senate hearing Tapos, yun. Meron dito sa what's in the booklet is like history of the Senate. It's quite a read. Tapos meron din seating arrangement of the senators. So makikita mo. I saw a lot of senators kanina. Kanina nakita ko si Ted Cruz, si Schumer, Democratic leader Schumer, si Senator Kelly Wu, and Fetterman. I saw Fetterman kanina. Bernie Sanders. I saw Bernie Sanders. Sa TV ko lang to sila nakikita. And yeah, I was just so happy kasi I've never dreamt of being this close. Feeling ko ako yung pinaka-closest to be in the president, be in this area sa family ko. I'm pretty sure my dad nakapunta na rin sila dito. Pero I don't know, I'm just so proud of myself. Kasi 10 years ago, I would never have thought na makapunta ako dito many times, tapos have the opportunity to actually like witness a lot of these things na sa TV lang, having to speak with staff, go to the offices of these senators and representatives and talk to them about something that I'm very, very passionate about, which is the hemophilia community. And then so my viewers, if you're not aware of hemophilia, now's the time to kind of like look it up. Go to hemophilia.org. But yeah, so and tapos na yung closing remarks, I think a while ago, but I don't think it's just the closing remarks. Meron pang bukas. So tomorrow morning meron pang ibang sessions and until we check out. Tapos yeah, and sa ibang episode na naman, I think I'm gonna try to cut these out. So iisa ko na lang yung vlog for the conference, and iisa ko na tapos I'll make another vlog sa pasyal-pasyal natin nung napunta tayo ng Union Square. And bukas, I think I'm gonna stop by sa aerospace museum, sa Smithsonian, isang part ng Smithsonian na daanan natin kanina. Kasi nga, I wanna see, so I have made a friend here. He's actually a former president of the Texas chapter of bleeding disorders. And his name's Dan Bond. He's amazing, very smart guy. He's already 70 years old, and he actually invented 2 airplanes na ni-retire na dun sa aerospace museum dito sa Smithsonian. So I'm gonna check that out. He showed me a picture, and I was so happy. So I'll know, and his name is on there. Hopefully we'll see it. Pretty sure we'll see it. So we'll check it out tomorrow, and then we'll see what we can go, because it's a lot of it's free, and then I think we just gotta buy a ticket or pass online. So I'll do that now. But for now, matutulog na ako. Masyadong mahaba na tong speech. Alright. Hi guys, good morning. Parang ang saya ko. Parang ang saya ko sa isang taong hindi nakatulog. Anyways, kaka 8 o'clock lang. Gising ako mga 4. As I was trying so hard to go back to sleep. Pero hindi talaga ako makatulog. Today na yung last day natin sa hotel natin. So, hindi ko pala kayo na-tour. Alam ko medyo busy kami ngayon this morning. So, may breakfast kami at 8. Tapos, may program hanggang 11:30. Tapos, check out na dapat 11. Pero nag-request ako ng late check-out. Binigyan naman nila ako ng late check-out hanggang 12 noon. Tingnan natin kung may extend pa ba. But anyways, medyo na yung room ko. I-tour ko kayo sa room ko. Saka try natin magdaan sa mga ibang facilities. Tapos mapakita ko kayo kahit yung gym lang. So ito last look ng room ko. Ito yung bed ko na pag sa labas ako. Kaya ko labas, pwede akong humiga dito. Tapos ito yung main bed ko. Tapos ito yung TV, working station. Nag-pack up na ako at least. Tapos lagay ko na lang. Tapos may vacuum sealed bag naman ako. So, mas madali siyang mapack. Speaking of vacuum sealed bag. Oh, ito pala yung vacuum. Tapos, Keurig nila, safe. Ito. Tapos lalagyan ng mga maleta. Tsaka, yung wardrobe. Tapos, ito. Yung bathroom. Ano lang man. Last look. Ito po tayo sa, we're here at floor 2. Ito yung fitness and pool center. Oh, tas push pala. Tap nyo lang yung card niya, tas push. May mga towels naman. Tapos, this is the gym. Late lang pala. Tapos, may ibang weights sa labas. Doon. Spool. Doon. Ayoko na lumabas kasi malamig, guys. But you can see it. Doon naman, oh. May ibang treadmill doon. Pero, hindi pala. Ano pala to? Heated. Indoor pala to lahat. Indoor pala yan lahat. Check out natin. So, this is the pool outside. Tapos, ano naman siya? Indoor. So, yung mga weights, free weights, and treadmills right over here. Machines, benches. Sibang, like kettlebells and everything. It's a pretty good setup. Ito siya. Medyo maingay lang. But yeah, I think heated din yung pool. So, if you guys come here, check it out. Maraming towels.
It's like several years ago, working on public affairs, public policy issues, and
Inspires them to do what they're supposed to do.
Yan guys, natapos na ang NBDF Washington Days. So, kung hindi ko na-explain, NBDF stands for National Bleeding Disorders Foundation. It used to be Hemophilia Foundation. So, parang binago nila kasi obviously it's a coalition na daming bleeding disorders. So, parang isang umbrella na lang. Anyways, again, thank you again for NBDF for this great opportunity to put me in place to make a change or making my voice heard sa community namin ng hemophilia people and also other bleeding disorders. And it was a great opportunity. Dami kong nagawa. I don't know if it's a once in a lifetime, but definitely close to once in a lifetime. I'm trying to do this every year na. And thank you again for sponsoring me. So libre to lahat, guys. It's from them. Because I don't think I can afford to stay at this hotel. And also be in this spot to make a change. I met a lot of people, especially towards the amazing people, especially towards the closing part of this conference. Kanina nga, nakausap ko yung isang policy head, isang person na head sa policy team ng CSL Behring, one of the top pharmaceutical companies sa world. And yeah, it was a great conversation seeing where the industry is heading. Kasi nga, if you guys are not familiar sa health industry, pharmaceutical companies have a great focus and shift towards the one and done kind of therapies, yung mga gene therapies, vaccines and stuff. And it's unfortunate that the current landscape ng health industry now, when it comes to the federal level dito sa US, it's kind of wonky. And by saying wonky, it's unsure. Companies now are just trying to like roll with the punches kasi nga they said it's coming from them. It's gonna be rocky in the next couple of years. They're not even sugarcoating it. And hopefully, the lawmakers and the policy makers, the people that work at Capitol Hill, the ones representing the voters, the citizens, hopefully they listen to us, not only for the bleeding disorders community, but also the other people who have their own concerns and battles. Pero yun, I think this will be my closing for the Washington Days vlog. And again, salamat sa pag-join sa akin. I know it's kind of like a quick cut kind of vlog kasi nga I had to like participate in a lot of the things and bawal mag-video sa loob and stuff. And yeah, I'll show you guys around. May free time ako. I'll show you guys around Washington DC. Papasok tayo ng isang museum. Hopefully dalawa. I'll show you guys around. And again, my name is Nestor. Thank you for joining me sa vlog ko and living one of my days as an advocate of hemophilia here in America. And again, If you are not subscribed, be sure to like and subscribe this video. Hanggang sa muli, and take care, and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye!